What is going on YouTube? This is Jason Tang TV, bringing you guys another video. For today's video, we do have more pickups to show you guys. If you guys couldn't tell, I am wearing the same exact thing as the last video because today's Sunday and I'm just trying to slam these videos out, especially because I've had a lot of busy weeks. So I'm doing what I can to put out content for you guys. Today, we do have some really special pickups. I'm really excited to show you guys these today. First off, we do have a package from Travis Scott right here. This is from the little pop-up shop that he did online, where it was like purchase something and it's going to be available for however many hours. And I ended up picking the Virgil and Travis Scott collaboration tee. So let's go ahead and just pop this open here. When do you ever receive a gold package? So packaging, 10 out of 10. And make sure nothing else is in the bag. Nothing. So just the tee right here. Boom. So we've got the tee right there. And this one is unfortunately not the limited edition. We do have the Cactus Jacks. I'm just gonna open the shirt right now. Let's pull this out. No, I'm gonna set this box down real quick. As you guys can see, we do have the pocket tee right here. You do have the little action figure Travis Scott right there. I think that's way dope. On the back, we've got, boom, an even bigger logo. So Travis Scott, Virgil Abloh, Astroworld, 2018 right there. You know what, I think I'm just gonna throw this on for the video, so give me 1 second. What do you guys think? This honestly feels like an Ass Club tee, maybe even something that's cheaper than that. Sleeves are a little bit short, huh? Maybe I look a little buffer in this. Show you guys the back here. Zoom out a little. Alright you guys, as you guys can see, we do have a Lebron box right here. Another gold box. Insane. 2 gold packages in one. Let's go. You guys know what this box is for. You guys already know. I don't know if you guys deserve to see these. These right here are the Lebron HFR edition, made for women. These things are fire. Honestly, probably one of my favorite Lebrons. Like, before I get into these, let me show you guys the extras that this shoe came with. First off, you do have this dust bag right here. So dope. HFR, boom. And then right here, you do have another dust bag, but you also have some ankle straps on the inside. So this right here is the white leather colorway for the straps. On the shoes, they do come with the brown right there, but crazy extras for this shoe. Like, this was an expensive shoe. These right here were $250 retail, plus tax and shipping wherever you're at. That's expensive for a woman's shoe, in my opinion. Like, that's crazy expensive. But the meaning behind the shoe makes it even better. The HFR stands for Harlem's Fashion Row. This shoe here is also the first ever Lebron shoe for women. It's designed by women as well, which is so dope. Like, they killed it on this shoe, and the meaning and everything just makes it 20 times better. Let me go ahead and get behind the camera because there's a lot of details to this. As you guys can see, these things are freaking crazy. You've got the little gold hits everywhere. Let me just give you guys a 360 view. That right there is my favorite part of the shoe. Boom. The knit material is amazing. You've got a 3 on this one, the 2 on this on the other side. Got the ankle straps right here. Like, they did an amazing job on this. HFR under the strap right there. That's That's crazy right there. That line has the laces in between. You feed the laces through right there. That's insane. And then it ties all the way around. Like, crazy how they did that. These things are freaking fire. I don't care what anyone says. These things are fire. And if you think differently, then you hate women. And no, I'm just kidding. I'm speechless. Like, when I got these, like, again, one of my favorite LeBrons I've ever seen. So crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me know what you guys think down below. Did you guys pick up a pair? I know that these were pretty hard to get. So yeah, let me know.